Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to put two videos in one frame using CapCut. First of all, open CapCut. Click on your project. Select the video. Click on Add. This is a video. Then scroll from the bottom. Click on Aspect Ratio. Then click on TikTok 9/16. Click on the check mark. Then click on Overlay. Click on Add Overlay. Select the video. Then click on Add. Adjust the both videos. And let's play it. You can add 2 or 3 videos like that. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.